What if I told you Samsung just dropped a phone that gives you flagship AI, a premium design, and a massive 512 gigabytes of storage without paying ultra-level money? Meet the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. At first glance, it looks like a flagship. You get a huge 6.7-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate, slimmer bezels, and vision booster for brighter outdoor viewing. But here's where things get interesting. Inside is Samsung's Exynos 2400 processor, paired with Galaxy AI features like Generative Edit, Audio Eraser, Auto Trim, and Smart Photo Enhancements. That means you can remove unwanted people from photos, clean noisy audio, and create highlight videos in seconds. Camera setup: a 50-megapixel main camera, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and 8-megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom, plus a 12-megapixel selfie camera for sharper content creation. Battery anxiety? Samsung packed a 4,900 mAh battery with fast charging that can reach up to 65% in around 30 minutes. And yes, it's built to survive real life with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, Armor Aluminum, and IP68 water resistance. So is the Galaxy S25 FE worth it? If you want flagship features, Galaxy AI, premium build quality, and long-term software support without spending top-tier flagship money, this could be one of Samsung's smartest buys. But here's the real question. Would you choose the Galaxy S25 FE or save a little more for the flagship Galaxy S series? Comment your answer below and don't forget to subscribe for more honest tech reviews in under 60 seconds.